Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to edit photos in Google Photos step by step. You can improve your photos using Enhance, Crop, Rotate, and other editing tools. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Now open the photo you want to edit. Click the edit icon in the top right corner. The editing panel will open on the right side of the screen. First, click Enhance to automatically improve the photo. Next, click the Crop and Rotate icon. Crop the photo by adjusting the corners. You can also rotate the image if needed. After that, click the Adjust icon. Here you can change the brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, and other settings. Make small adjustments until the photo looks better. When you're finished, click the Save button at the top. Google Photos will save your edited photo. You can always reopen the photo and make more changes later if needed. That's it. You have successfully edited a photo in Google Photos. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Photos tutorials. See you in the next video.